Hey y'all, happy Thursday. So I hadn't really been cooking this week. I was a little down and stuff, and I was at my desk today and I was thinking about something the pastor had said. I had gone to a funeral. It was an 18-month-old baby. He had died in a car wreck. And his parents had, I think, 4 girls, and he was the baby. He was the only boy they had. And at 18 months in a car wreck, it killed him. Y'all, that hurt me so bad. I just had to go to that baby funeral. But at that funeral, the pastor said something that it keep resonating in my spirit. And it helps you to get through it. Death hurts. I told y'all before, death is very hard for me. But he said something. He said, when you lose a loved one, he said, look at your life. He said, and live your life so that you can meet them in that big family reunion in the sky. And Lord have mercy, I keep holding on to that. So y'all, that's why I tell you to trust God, lean on Him, depend on Him, worship Him. Before you make any decisions, go to Him in prayer, and He will give you direction. He will give you comfort. He will be your guide. He will be everything you need. Material things, worldly possessions, you can't take it with you. You can't take it with you, man. We got to get our heart right. Whew. All right, but anyway, I wanted to show y'all what I cooked today. I came home and I felt a little better, so I cooked. I made this broccoli and cheese casserole. You can't see it too good. Hold on, y'all. All right, but this is the broccoli casserole. I don't know why it's coming out that color. And then here is my baked chicken. I started off baking it with a top on it, and I took the top off. And then I did some green beans with potatoes in it and bacon. And I like to take my bacon and start it off actually in the oven. And then I just took the bacon and the drippings and put it in a pan along with some onion. Y'all, I'm from the South. Everything I cook, I start off with sauteing my vegetables in a pan. And then I add everything else to it. Same way I did this. But, let me show y'all what it looked like. I make this, and I've shared it, and I'm telling y'all, this is a very good dish, but it didn't get very many views, but I fixed this when I told y'all I was an HR manager at Lowe's. I fixed this one time, and I made 2 big pans. It was I can't remember what it was. I don't know if we did a employee appreciation dinner or something, but I made 2 pans, big pans. And I tell you, when I come back, a man was running his finger through there getting the rest of it. But anyway, this is what it looks like inside. Can y'all see it? It's broccoli. It's broccoli spears, cream of mushroom soup, and cheese whiz and ground beef. And I use 2 cups of Zatarain's rice. But the one thing I got to get me, y'all, I don't have my I'm out of accent. And accent just does something.